Dear friends, I hope all of you are doing great. And today I'm going to show you how to find an area of a block and of an irregular shape. For example, this one is my irregular shape, and I made a block. And how to make a block of different objects into a single object I have shown in my previous videos. You can check it out. I have already prepared the block here, so I want to find out this area. So if you want to find out this area, then you have to take the help of a hatch. So how to hatch an area, I have already shown that. So let's check. Just type H command and then enter, and select the area, then enter. And now select your hatch and then right click on the hatch and click on properties. On the geometry you will get the area 1573 square inch. So the area of this irregular shape is 1573.17. That's how we can find out an area of a irregular shape. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends if you find it useful. Thank you.